Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by targeting the object, select it and switch to edit mode so faces become editable. Once done, enable face selection. This is the fundamental mode you'll use. Make sure to pick an appropriate selection tool. Box select for rectangular groups, lasso for freeform areas. You can add or subtract from your selection by holding Shift. Do this now rather than later because clean selection prevents wasted work. Also check normals and modifiers before proceeding so your face results will behave predictably. Now refine what you selected. You want the exact faces that matter. Use select link to grab contiguous islands or select similar to match attributes like area or material. Once refined, hide the rest with H so you can focus. Later press Alt plus H to reveal everything. If edges leak into your selection, use grow or shrink selection to adjust by increments. For entire separate islands, Ctrl plus L selects linked geometry. These steps reduce mistakes and make subsequent operations, like extrusion, or finish by turning your face selection into the result you need. Extrude for depth, inset for borders, or press P to separate faces into a new object. Once created, recalculate normals so shading looks correct, and apply transforms with Ctrl plus A to lock scale and rotation. If something looks wrong, check for hidden faces, flipped normals, or modifiers applied in the wrong order, often the culprit. If separation left loose verts, merge by distance to clean topology. This closes most problems and leaves your mesh ready.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.